Hello, today we are checking out the Ninja Specialty Coffee Maker. It's the model CM401. It's a specialty coffee maker that can make a single cup of coffee, small or extra large, travel size cup of coffee, small or large, in a half pot or a full pot of coffee. You can brew classic, rich, iced coffee, or you can make specialty drinks such as cappuccinos or whatever you can find a recipe for. You do not use pods with this coffee maker, although you can make a single cup. It just takes a little bit longer and a little bit more work. So let's go check it out. I'll do a demonstration and go over some of the other features that it has as well. Here is a look at the Ninja Specialty Coffee Maker. It includes the 50-ounce water container. There's the front with your selection dial and different settings. Your included spoon for easy measurements. The removable coffee filter. Fold-away milk frother. And the coffee filter holder. It does come with a removable, reusable screen filter. It does come with a spoon that shows how many scoops, small or large, for whatever you're going to make, whether it's an individual cup or a pot or half a pot. It tells you on the spoon how many scoops to use. For example, if I want to make a single cup of coffee, I'm going to use the small side, 2 to 3 spoonfuls, depending on how strong you want your coffee. First, you want to fill your water reservoir. I use filtered water. We live out in the country, so our water's pretty bad. We do have a softener system, but I still use filtered water to reduce how much lime buildup it'll get and how often we will need to clean it. Push the filter into place. Fold down your cup holder to hold your cup. This is used when making an individual cup of coffee. Here you'll see your dial where you're going to select which size you're making. Set it to a regular size cup, and then you'll push either classic or rich, depending on what you prefer. At this point it'll start brewing. It'll take about 3 minutes to brew a cup. So something I noticed right away is using the screen filter. It makes it a little bit stronger and you get a little bit of thickness down at the bottom of your cup. Fortunately, you can use paper filters instead. Just uses the number 4 cone filters. You just remove the screen filter and then you just put your paper filter in instead, and then add whatever coffee you want. For making a full pot of coffee, we're going to use the large side of the spoon, and it says 4 to 6 spoonfuls. I use 4. More than that, I think it's too strong, but that's just me. Now I'm brewing a full cup of coffee. We will turn the dial to full cup, not half cup, to full cup. There you go. And then you press your classic or rich, and the little keep warm light will go on, and you can set that by holding it down, and you can tell it how long you want to keep the hot plate on. And then next time you press it, it'll flash low. You can set it to high or low for the temperature setting of the plate. And once you let go, it'll start brewing your pot. The little red light on the front of the plate there, that just means that the heating plate is still hot. All right, now for making specialty drinks and using the milk frother, you will take whatever amount of milk you want to use, microwave it for about 30-45 seconds, or you can do it cold, and then you will put it in the frother and turn it on with a button on top. Do it for about 30 seconds or so until it's all good and frothy. Now you will take your cup of frothed milk and put it on the little cup holder. I put it in a glass cup for some odd reason, so I'm putting it over to my coffee cup. All right, now you're going to take your spoon and use the big side. You use 2 large scoops for making the specialty coffee. So it's going to give you, you don't have to select size on it. It's going to automatically do 4 ounces. It's going to give you 4 concentrated ounces of coffee for your specialty drink. And then you mix it up, and there you go. All right, on the front here is your power button and the clean option. And then we have your multi-function dial, which is going to be able to set which size you want, from a small cup to a large cup, travel size, large travel size. Oh yeah, like a travel size, like that. Large travel size. And a half pot or a full pot, and then you will select either classic or rich or over ice if you're planning to make iced coffee. And then you have the specialty concentrated 4-ounce button. If you want to set a delay brew or set it for the morning, for when you get up, you just hold down the delay button and pick what time you want it set for. Have it all ready to go and all your grounds in there. Make sure your water reservoir is completely filled up, because it does take all 50 ounces to make a full pot of coffee. And then it'll make your pot of coffee, or whatever you have it set to, at the time you set it for. All right, so my overall thoughts on this coffee maker is I like it a lot. If you don't mind doing a little bit of extra work and taking a couple extra minutes to make a cup of coffee, I think it makes a little bit better cup of coffee. I do like the fact that you can make a whole pot at a time, like a regular coffee maker, so you can just have it there and ready to go, especially if you've got multiple people drinking from it. Me and my wife, we drink a lot of coffee, so it's nice to just have a whole pot on, or you can program it so it is ready in the morning. Like this morning, I did not do that, and I walked over to get a cup of coffee first thing like I always do. It's so easy just to pop in a K-cup, especially when it's first thing in the morning and you're tired. But I'll make sure I program it from now on so I can wake up and it'll just be ready to go. My birds are in here with me. They wanted to come up. And the price isn't too bad as well. It's around the same price as Keurig. And I like the fact that we'll be drinking better coffee for a little bit less price as well. So, that's nice. We usually were getting like super cheap K-cups because we didn't want to be spending like 80 cents or so to be able to drink the better coffee, because that can add up when you drink a lot of coffee like we do. We're not real big on iced coffee and specialty drinks, but I do like that option on there. It might be something that we will kind of mess around with. It's pretty cool. So it's $139.99 right now on Amazon. I'll leave a link below if you want to go there and check it out for yourself. I did do a video comparing the Ninja to the Keurig K Elite. Put that video right here. And that's about all I got. Like and subscribe to help me out, help me grow my channel. Appreciate it, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching.